Hello students, myself Amrita Srivastav and I am faculty of US Academy Institute, Gorakhpur. Today we are going to discuss class 5, chapter 1, Friendship, the Essence of Life. This chapter is about friend, friendship and how to celebrate Friendship Day. This is your first chapter of the book, Roots and Wings. So students, let's start our chapter. You can see here two activities are given here. First is write the names of any 4 of your good friends. So you have to write only 4 friends name, and second activity is given for discuss with your partner why you made them your friends and what activities you enjoy doing together. In this activity you have to discuss with your friend or your partner that why you have chosen him or her as your friend and what kind of activities you enjoy together. Let's read and enjoy our chapter, Friendship, the Essence of Life. Friendship Day is a day which is celebrated all over the world to focus on the value of friendship in life. People celebrate this special day in many different ways. Let's see how the children in this lesson celebrate Friendship Day. So students, maybe you are knowing that Friendship Day is celebrated in first Sunday of the month August to know the value of friendship in life. People celebrate Friendship Day. Let's start our chapter. Miss Nidhi Sood entered the class looking as cheerful as ever. The children wished her excitedly. They knew that they had to discuss and plan a life skill project with her for the coming week. So, the name of the teacher is Miss Nidhi Sood. When she entered the class, the students were very excited because they are knowing that she will discuss a life skill project for upcoming week. As they settled down, Nidhi said, "Children, Friendship Day falls on the first Sunday of August every year." So she informed them that we celebrate Friendship Day on the first Sunday of August. Since Sunday is a holiday, we will all celebrate it on the coming Monday, 4th of August. Maybe that year Sunday was coming on Friendship Day was same as falling on Sunday, so they decided they will celebrate in the school on Monday, 4th of August. It is an important day for all of us. Our next life skill project will be related to it. You see friends, add a new meaning to our life. They help us through thick and thin. That means they help us in every condition, that is good or bad, and it is joy to be with him. Let us celebrate Friendship Day this time in a special way. The student nodded, yes ma'am. So the teacher suggested that they will celebrate Friendship Day in the school in a very special way, and the students agreed to her. And after that, what happens? Can anyone give a suggestion? Said Nidhi. So Miss Nidhi asked to children that if they have any suggestion. Ruchi was sitting in the last row. Ma'am, we always tie friendship band to our friends and give them cards too. So now the class is discussing about how to celebrate Friendship Day. So Ruchi is saying that they always tie friendship band to each other. Kritin stood up. Ma'am, I think we should have a small class party. Kritin is sharing an idea that they can have a very small party in the class. Nidhi said, okay. Anyone else? So class teacher is expecting some more ideas. Rahman got up next. Madam, besides Doing all these activities this time, we can bring one of our favorite dishes that is especially prepared during festivals. We can share our food with everyone in the class. That was the best idea that Rahman suggested. He said we can prepare our special foods that we make on festival. For example, we can take on the festival of Diwali, we make some special sweets. In the festival of Holi, we prepare gujia and so many other things. In Christmas, we prepare cake, and that was a very fantastic idea to celebrate Friendship Day in the class party. That will be fun, said most of the students. So students were agreed with the idea of the Rahman. The teacher smiles. Let the dishes be a surprise. Remember, we should always share our things, particularly our favorite things, with others and be good friends. So teacher suggested them that they will not share their dishes. That means they will not tell them the names of the dishes what they will bring. But teacher suggested that they have to share their dishes and things that they can become good friends. So the preparation for the day began. Some children prepared handmade cards, some made friendship bands. They discussed with their mothers and the dishes to be prepared for the class. So students discussed with each other. Some made handmade cards, some made friendship bands, and with the help of their mothers they prepared some good dishes for the class party. As the bell rang for the lunch break on Monday, the day of celebration, the children took out their lunch boxes, cards, cans and packets of food. They wished Nidhi ma'am and one another happy Friendship Day. Friendship bands were tied and cards were exchanged. There was a smile on every face. So on the day of Friendship Day, one day after of the Friendship Day, that was Monday, when it was lunch time, students exchanged their dishes, they exchanged their cards, they tied some friendship bands, and everyone was very happy. Jaspinder says, I have got chole bhature. I have also brought some halwa for you all. These are usually prepared on Guru Parv. Please have them, friends. So Jaspinder, maybe he is a Punjabi, and he is suggesting that on the festival of Guru Parv they prepare chole bhature and some halwa, so they can enjoy their food. Rafiq also opened his lunch box. Please have the sevaiya that my mother has prepared for you all. We have it especially on Eid ul Fitr. So Muslim prepared sevai on the festival of Eid that Rafiq told them. And after that Madhumita said, all this spoke to tempting. My mother has sent rasgullas, a special dessert of West Bengal for you all. So Madhumita brought rasgullas from West Bengal's special. Meanwhile, Christina took out a pocket and said, friends, you all must have this cake we have that I have got. So between the time Christina gave them the cake that they prepare on the festival of Christmas. And after that Reena said, that looks as delicious as a Christmas cake. Well, I have got special sweets for you all. Mother always prepares them during Mahavir Jayanti. She woke up early in the morning and made this for you all. After enjoying Christmas cake, Reena said that she has brought some sweets that especially her mother cooks on Mahavir Jayanti. Ritu Chagal, what a variety. I have got gujiyas. They are prepared during Holi. Everyone is preparing gujia on the festival of Holi. Rahman was quiet so far, smiling at everyone. He spoke loudly. Please listen to me also. I have brought biryani for everyone. Soon everyone shared the food, offering one another various dishes. So after when everyone introduced his food, students exchanged their foods and they enjoyed a lot. Madhumita added, Ma'am, can we keep some food aside for those children who live near our school on the street? Their parents are construction worker. Now Madhumita suggested a very good thing, that she wanted to help those children also who were living near the school and their parents were construction worker. After hearing this, Miss Nidhi nodded. Yes, why not? Keep some food aside in this packet. She felt very happy as she watched the children sharing, caring, and offering one another something to eat. There was laughter and cheer in the air. She said to herself, I know they will spread this love all around. So, student, this is a very good thing to share and care for each other and offer your things to your friends. So, after watching this, Miss Nidhi was very happy and she said that students will spread this love all around the world. Once the party was over, Miss Nidhi said, Children, clean your desk and keep your boxes and packets neatly in your bag. I noticed that none of you dropped any trash on the floor. You all used dustbin. Good. One more good habit introduced by Miss Nidhi, she said that students have not spread anything on the floor and they put all the trashes in the dustbin also. Christina said, Excuse me, ma'am, we will celebrate Friendship Day this way every year. Now she is asking that maybe if they can celebrate every year this kind of party. Miss Nidhi smiled. Sure. You all should remember that friendship is very valuable. You all have learned about sharing and caring. It strengthens the bond of friendship. Miss Nidhi continued. Now I want you all to write 2 short paragraphs about what friendship means to you. Use them in your next life skill project. You must mention the names of the dishes prepared during different festival celebrations that were brought by your friends. The children got down to work. The teacher continued. Remember that you may come from different background or believe in different religion or your mother tongue was may vary, but you can make true friendship by sharing and caring. The children hugged each other and thanked their teacher again. So one more time Miss Nidhi introduced the true purpose of celebrating this party, that to understand each other's religion and background and to respect each other's mother tongues and each other's relation, and so that they can understand sharing and caring in true manners and they can understand the true value of friendship. Miss Nidhi further added, I will take this packet of food that you all have kept aside. I will give to the children, to the construction workers when I leave in the afternoon. Can some of you who live nearby come along? A few students raised their hands. Ma'am, we will. So Miss Nidhi nextly added that she will give the remaining food that was kept in a packet to those children who are living near the school, and she is asking if some of the students wants to come, and few students said, yes madam, we will surely join you. So students, this chapter was about how to celebrate Friendship Day, how you can make a special it with your friends. So let's see, answer the following questions orally. When is Friendship Day celebrated? When was it celebrated in the school? So Friendship Day is celebrated on the first Sunday of the August, and it was celebrated in the school on the next Monday. What did Jaspinder bring for everyone when it that dish usually prepared? So student, Jaspinder brings chole bhature for everyone that is made on Guru Parv. How did the teacher Miss Nidhi feel when she observed the children during the class party? What did she think of? Students, Miss Nidhi felt very happy and she think that students will spread the love all over the world. What instructions were given by the teacher to the children to clean the classroom? They have to keep all the trash in the dustbin. What was the message of the celebration according to the teacher? Message was to respect every religion and to feel the value of sharing and caring and true friendship. Take the correct option and fill in the blanks to complete the following sentences. The teacher and students discussed and planned a life skill related project. The teacher wanted the class to celebrate Friendship Day in a special way. Most of the students felt that the celebration would be adventurous. So students, you will get question answer in your assignment. You have to do it in your fair copy. Note down the word meanings from your book also. We will discuss our next chapter in our next video. Till then, take care.